some across there. There's a guy across there too. See him with his back to you, right over the campus. This must be their spot. This guy's walking back there.